Hello, birdie. Hi, birdie. Hello.
Daddy, alam mo na ba dyan galing yan?
Hello.
Saan pa?
Eh, paano siya
My
nakalipan?
doubt is from that
What if
nest.
that's not his nest?
I know. I mean, it could be any nest up
What if
there.
that's not his nest?
That's why.
Come on.
He's gonna get killed if that's not his nest. Don't touch it though. Don't touch the nest with your skin.
Is there eggs in there?
Come here, birdie. Time for you to go home.
Walang laman, Dad? Ha?
Chanel?
Look, Chanel.
Hey!
Look at Chanel. It's a birdie. Go get it, puppy.
Hey, birdie.
What if that's not his nest?
That's why, Daddy. Oh, baka hindi yan.
No, yan talaga yan.
Look at the bird's nest. Birdie doesn't know how to fly.
Don't touch me. Don't touch me.
What if it's not? The
You have to
bird's
hold
gonna
her.
kill it.
Why?
Where else?
Well, that bird should be able to fly.
Chanel, come here.
Oh my God! Oh!
Chuck, nasa na kagad?
The birdie pooped on the thing.
Oh!
The birdie pooped. She's scared to death. She scared the shit out of it. Bye-bye, birdie.
Don't jump off.
Oh, Lord.
Well, that bird thinks that.
Chanel, come here.
The bird just is not move.
Nasa na
His head's not even like looking at anything.
Bye-bye, bird.
Maybe he's blind.